In this video, we're going to show you how to knit 2 stitches together. So using your right needle, instead of going through just the first stitch on your left needle, we're going to take it through the first 2 stitches on that left needle. So your right needle goes in from the left diagonally up the back through the right of those stitches, just as you would with a normal knit stitch, except you're picking up 2 stitches this time. You wrap your yarn around your back needle, slide it down and catch that stitch, and there you've decreased 2 stitches into 1. We'll do that one more time. So your right needle, instead of knitting the first stitch alone, it's going to go in from the left back through to the right of 2 stitches. Wrap your yarn around that back needle, slide that needle down, and as you do, you'll pick up or catch that stitch, and that's another decrease knit stitch.